7 lonely days and a dozen times ago, I reached out one night and you were gone. Don't know why you run, what you're running to home from. All I know is I want to bring you home. So I'm walking through the rain, thumbing for a ride on this lonely Kentucky back road. I've loved you much too long, my love's too strong to let you go, never knowing what we're on. Kentucky rain is pouring down, Lord, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Rain in my shoe. Searching for you, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain. Hey, yeah. Oh, Kentucky rain. Showed you photographs to some old gray bearded men sitting on a bench outside General Store. He said, yes, she's been here, but their memory wasn't clear. Was it yesterday? No way, the day before. Then I finally caught a ride with a preacher man who asked, where you bound on such a cold on Captain Blue? When he drove on through the rain, as he listened, I explained that he left me with a prayer that I find you. Yeah. Kentucky rain is pouring down, Lord, and up ahead's another town that I'll go walking through with the rain in my shoe. Rain in my shoe. Yes,